Well, here's the Z06, the Pfadt Z post test. I'm going to walk over and look at the actual railroad tie that we went over just to make sure. But you can see that it is legitimately an old railroad tie that we found laying around to do the test with, to exactly replicate the Just J, at least as close as possible, and not use some random lumberyard thing. So again, bolted to the ground and still in place. So the car is none the worse for wear. Can do a little underhood shot. Coolant tank is still in place. See the shock mount still in place as it should be. From under, all components still as they should be, as you would expect. Sway bar, fatty arm, the whole works, all still there. Had a little adjustment to the camera mount that knocked down in the impact, but when you turned it back up, you could see that everything was still intact. So this is post-inspection here. We're pulling the wheel off. See what it looks like under there. There's the light in there. See, we've got no cracks or anything. Also, it's interesting to note that we've been running linear pressure transducers on this unit, so we've got a stress riser that we built into the mount, not for this test or anything, but just because that's what we needed to do for other testing that we've done with this vehicle. Notice that this is the exact same mount system that you would get if you purchased our coilovers, which is the same mount system that have been on every set of coilovers that we've sold. Polyurethane mount. It's exactly what you'll see on our website, exactly what any customer who has the Pfadt coilovers on their car will get. You'll also note that we have our competition fatty sway bars on this car, and that they seem to have survived the test, as well as our end links. That's a good sign. It's not a thing that I wanted to test, but clearly that's involved. It's attached. It makes me sick to have to do this type of a test on a beautiful car such as this. We're an engineering company, and we do analysis, we do design, and occasionally there's time for testing. But this is not one of those tests that I feel we should have had to do. But we are here, and we are proving that our product will hold up and will withstand running over a ridiculous object like a railroad tie. And here we are. We've proven that, and we're going to go back to engineering products and designing them and the way that we should be doing things.